I first saw black tide just before the storm reached the coast. From the water, it looked less like a city and more like something that had grown out of the cliffs. Houses stacked above houses, bridges hanging where streets should have been, and hundreds of lanterns burning against the rain. No walls, no gates, only the sea. The lower docks never seemed to sleep. Boats came in carrying fish I had never seen before. Some were still moving, some were glowing. Nobody seemed surprised. Here, strange things from the deep were just another day's catch. Everything in black tide seemed tied to the ocean. Food, trade, religion. Even the buildings were held together with rope, salt-stained timber, and whatever could survive another storm. The people moved quickly. Nobody stood around for long. In a place like this, you either had work to do or you were in someone's way. The taverns were warmer. For a few coins, sailors could forget the weather outside, at least for a while.
Coin first, story second.
Every table seemed to have its own story. Lost ships, impossible catches, islands that appeared once and were never found again. Most of it sounded like drunken nonsense. At the time,
sharp steel, clean
I assumed it was.
Trust the knot.
The sea remembers.
Make way! Urgent tide post!
Keep moving with the tide.
Then I reached the main harbor. That was where black tide kept its real power. Ships built for long voyages, heavy guns, black sails, crews that looked as if they had survived places no mapmaker had ever recorded. Some ships were unloading cargo. Others were preparing to leave before the storm became worse. I followed one crew aboard. Below the sails, the ship had its own rhythm. Wood creaked, chains shifted, coal disappeared into the furnace. Heat poured through the rain. For the first time that night, I understood how much work it took just to keep one of these ships moving. A Kraken had surfaced just outside the harbor, and it was tearing the place apart. The captain didn't hesitate. He ordered the guns ready and turned the ship straight toward it. Apparently, we were going to put a cannonball into the thing.
All hands, hold the deck! Secure the rigging!
Make this one count!
It seems that no weapon is effective right now. This will be the end of this city.